a link to be able to do this. So, okay, how'd you do with reading through this chapter?
It seems pretty straightforward. So if I'm correct, we're going to be using Excel for a good portion of our quiz, I'm assuming, and then that's going to help us to put everything into the equation.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like it's taking everything that we've learned and now said, okay, here's how you really use it in a study type situation if you're doing your own research. And I think the thing I started to do was I made some notes of the, you know, how it gave us in each example, like step 1, do this, and then it went through the example, and then step 2, do this. And so I started writing down, okay, so what do I have to do to make sure I analyze the data correctly? Because like step 3 is give the relevant summary statistics, and I know some questions are going to ask that, and some are going to be, how do you know if you can use the T-score type thing? And so I was trying to get all that organized in my head. So that's what the last thing I was working on is trying to get it situated, but I don't know if I have it in my head completely correct.
We'll figure this out together.
Sounds fabulous. So.
All right. Got my quiz fired up here.
I'm getting mine opened. We're on 11, right? Group meeting quiz.
Yes. Yep. Lesson 11. Okay.
Dan, can you get me a scratch piece of paper, please? Thanks.
I'm going to rearrange myself here so I can plug in my phone.
Okay.
Ugh. Otherwise, it's probably going to die.
Then don't let it die.
There we go. That might be good enough. Okay. There we go.
All right, I got this quiz open.
Yep. Oh.
So we need the T distribution applet. I did not open that one up.
Yeah, I gotta open that too. Actually, I have the Excel page open, but there it is.
Student T probability. That's what the one's called, right?
Yep, student T probabilities.
Okay, good. So question 3. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation, sigma, was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? We assume sigma is unknown, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
I hate when there's like easy questions because it throws me off. It's like, it's got to be asking for more.
I know, and I'm an overthinker too, so yeah, they throw me off big time.
Okay.
All right, so for the next one, it says information. For the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be H0 mu equals 8 and HA, well, U is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation, yeah. What do we call that? Do we just call it O or?
It's sigma.
Sigma, there we go. Is not known. Becca collects a sample size of 9 and computes X bar equals 11 and S equals 6. Is sigma known?
It tells us it's not known. Are you kidding me?
What is going on?
Right? That's okay.
just let's not overthink. Oh goodness.
What is the value of it? Well, sigma's not known.
No, the value of T, not it.
Oh. Sorry.
You're fine. You're fine.
Grown.
Like, uh-oh. All right, let's see here. So, oh boy, I'm gonna have to glance over
So
the notes.
T is equal to X bar minus mu divided by, is it S divided by N or S square root of N?
I, th-
I
I
wrote
think I
down,
think I think it's s divided by the square root of n.
and I only wrote down S divided by N, and that's what I was like, that doesn't make sense, but that's what I wrote. So
Oh, gotcha.
did I write it wrong in my
Yeah,
notes?
I'm looking at the equation right now, and it's s divided by square root of n.
I just left that up. All right, so we're gonna have, oh gosh. So 11 minus, do we have mu?
Let me go back. Mu is 8.
Oh, that's right. Because that is the hypothesis, right?
Yep, the alternative hypothesis. Yep.
Yep. No, not the
Or
alternative.
or wait. It says null and alternative because it puts them like side by side. That's why I got confused.
So
Yeah,
the,
it's
yep,
it's the
okay.
null.
11 minus 8, and then S is 6, and it's going to be divided by 9, right?
Yep.
Get a calculator out here.
Hey Emma, do you have any scratch paper? And a pen or a pencil? Because mine's in my room. Oh, nice. Thank you. Okay. Oh, thanks.
I don't know if I did this right. And it's actually 6 divided by and then the square root of 9, huh? Which is going to give me 3, 2 on the bottom. So 11 minus 8 divided by 2 is equal. Clear that. 11 minus 8 divided by 2. 1.5?
Is that what you got?
1.5? That's what I got. Did I do it right?
Okay, so I'm way behind right now.
Okay, no, because you were waiting for paper and a pencil. I'm good.
Okay, so when you divided 6 by the square root of 9.
No, it's square root of 9, don't forget. Because I did, even after we talked about it.
Oh, okay. All right. Man, I really hate calculators, even though they're a blessing. Let's see here. There it is. Okay. That makes sense. And then, 1 second. And what's on the top?
11 minus 8.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, I mean, just doing the simple math in my head, 3 divided by 2, 1.5, yep.
Okay. Yeah, I got the calculator out, and then I was like, wait, I can do this in my head.
I know. I think they show mercy on us for some of these. All right.
So is that round to 1 decimal point a hint that that's all we should have?
We're going to cross our fingers for now and hope.
Okay, so we're using the body temp one. I did not open that one yet.
Using the phone. Oh, where's that? Is that at the top of this?
The next question tells us to use the body temp document. And it gives us so scroll down to use this information for the following questions.
Oh, okay.
It's the data from the body temp.
I see. So it's already there for us.
And it has it there, so I guess we can copy there or we can copy from the data file, right?
Yes. All right, so let's see if it'll let me copy. Or do these pages not let us copy the information?
I don't know if it did. I didn't try to do that. I opened the file in Excel. But one of the things I find challenging is when I copy like a data and I put it into the column, I now have to delete that one. And there were like 2,000 things in the last time I used it. So
yeah, it looks like these quiz things don't let you actually copy the text. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find the actual document. Is it in
That's
the
frustrating.
lesson 11 page?
Yes, we did use it today, or in this lesson, yeah.
Let's see. It's not that link. Body temp. Where's body temp?
So one of the things I did was I can't remember where it was. And maybe it's the resources at the end of the chapter or the book. There was some place where it gave us a whole like zip file of them, and I saved that on my computer. So then now I just have to go there to open it.
Oh, okay.
But body temp.
Right, I'm gonna open another page quick.
You're good.
Because yeah, I'm in lesson 11 and I don't see it in
You're
there.
not seeing it there.
Unless, I mean, it's very possible I overlooked it, but I'm gonna take a quick look in the individual preparation. And we're in week 5. Or no, we're in week 6. Holy cow. Time's flying by. I don't like it.
Come on, why aren't you pasting? I just copied it. Oh, because you're.
Pasting for you?
I'm copying it from one place and my computer's not pasting it.
You could try Control V. That's another way you can paste usually.
Okay, there it went. Whew.
What is going on with this? Okay. No, it's not there. Okay, so it's got to be in here. Version.
Where do you do that?
Oh dear.
And the null hypothesis is 8, right?
Oh, one second.
Did you find the document yet?
Sadly, no.
Okay, let me see if I can send it to you. That might take a little longer, but I'll try.
Yeah, I'll keep browsing. Was it just like one of those little click here links or something like that?
It's when it says to. I don't think it was a click here. I think it says use the body temp file, and then it just body temp was a link itself.
Huh. Interesting.
Oh, I didn't like that. Let's try that. All right, it sent it.
Did you send it to my email? Oh,
I
right
did.
there it is. Sweet. Let's open up Yahoo. Oh, man. Okay. Just when I thought technology and I were getting along. There we go. Okay. There we go. All right, I got it.
Okay.
Oh, is this with the information you already put in?
That has the body temp numbers that it's showing there in the quiz.
Okay, cool. Cool.
So all the 98, 99, all those numbers, which I hope it's all the same since it won't let you copy it.
Yeah, it should be.
Right? Okay, so what is X bar? Is the first question.
Okay.
So isn't that the mean?
Yes, I believe X bar is equal to or about the mean.
So the mean is 98.234. That's because it's asking for our sample mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 98.234.
Down to 3 decimal. Okay, cool. We're good.
I don't have question 5 saved.
Let's see. Oh, wait. That's interesting.
What's going on?
Is it just me, or I mean, there's like a ton more numbers in the in the actual Excel thing, right?
There are, if we go to the Excel, it'll tell us. There's 148 in that number. Is there not in the test? 148? There's not, is there?
No, for the ones listed, it looks like barely like 20 or so.
Oh, and it's saying use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. It doesn't say we have all of them.
Oh, so we're just supposed to use these specific ones.
I don't know though. I can't copy them.
Yeah,
So
I think that came with the new iLearn update. I don't think we can copy text from quizzes. So this is going to be fun.
Let me text our TA
So
and see what she says while we're working on this, because that's a lot of questions that.
yeah, it is. Oh there's more than one of these too.
That's having to use data like that?
Looks like it. Yep. One of them's from the Baby Boom link.
Okay, I'll send that one to you too.
Well, actually, I found that one earlier in my search for the
Oh,
other
okay.
one.
Cool.
Let me see. I'll get it quick. No, it's not that one. So, are we gonna wait for a reply, or do you think we should move on and see if there's any others we can do?
Hang on a second.
Okay. Oh my goodness! I just found the body temperature one. You've got to be kidding me.
Instead of the numbers.
There's Baby Boom.
Okay, I say let's go ahead and answer the rest with the Excel data information, because that kind of seems like the only option we have, right?
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully we're right. Okay, what is S? S is the sample standard deviation. Is that correct?
Wait 1 second. Which number are you on?
7.
How did I get way down there? Okay. Oh, what is S?
Because you were looking to see what other questions were up there, or what else we had to do on the quiz.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's what it's asking. What is S? But does it want the it wants the number?
Yeah, so 0.738.
Yep. But I guess my question would be, did you factor in that we're only using those certain examples?
No, I used the whole data file because I didn't want to have to search through and find which numbers.
Oh, gotcha. So we're just gonna go with this for now.
Yep, because I haven't heard back from her, and we both tried to copy and use that other stuff.
Yeah.
Right? So.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the T-score. Sorry, I keep reading. In the spreadsheet, did you change the null hypothesis and the type of test?
No, I didn't. Did you?
Yeah. So we're on the quantitative inference procedure. To be able to enter in all the numbers.
Yeah, the one sample t-test for means, is that the one?
Yep.
Okay, and I just need to copy and paste
all the body temperatures in there to the first column.
Oh, come back. There we go. No.
Oops.
What is going on? Okay, I really don't like Excel. Come on. Oh my goodness. So much copying.
Yes.
There we go. All right, now. And we paste it in the variables tab?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, enable editing. Enable editing. That might help. Whoa. There we go. That should be good. And it should calculate everything automatically, right?
Yep, but we have to make sure we weren't given a confidence level, were we?
No.
But we need to check with every time we use this, we're supposed to update the null hypothesis and the type of test. And the confidence level, I thought. But the quiz actually didn't tell us to use this form. Are we not supposed to use it?
That's what I'm concerned about. Let's see.
But it does say copy and paste them into your software.
Mm-hmm. I know it's. I wonder if they just like didn't update this test or this quiz when the new iLearn update came.
Yeah.
So they probably thought we could still do it that way, which is not right.
We'll find out, huh? All right. So I updated and mine. So the null hypothesis is 8, and the type of test is greater than. And so that's where then now the numbers in the boxes below tell us what n is, what the mean is.
What does n say for you?
148.
Okay, good. So it did update correctly. Okay, good.
And then you got the mean as
98.22 or 234.
Yep.
Good.
And the standard deviation was
0.738.
Yep. Okay, so the next question, we're ready for that, right? Question 8.
Yep. Question number 8. What is the t-score? And this is the fun part.
It's in the form. Go back to the formula. I mean the Excel sheet, and it tells us T.
Oh, nice. Yes. I love this. All right, so it 1,455.300.
I have 1,888.288.
Oh boy.
Why is T different?
Yeah, now I'm concerned. Let's make sure I have all the lines.
So you have the confidence level is 0.95.
No, the confidence level for me is 98.115. Wait. You're talking about the first box on the left underneath confidence interval?
No. You know where the null hypothesis. So you have the summary statistics
Mm-hmm.
and mean and standard deviation and N have nothing in them, right? In the blue part. And then just below
I
that,
see it now. Yeah. 0.95 is the confidence level.
and you have the null hypothesis 8.
Oh, nope, it says 10 for me.
Okay. And then you have greater than
Oh, okay.
for the type of.
Yeah. So it's greater than. Is that what we want?
Yep. So now did that
Okay.
change
So
your numbers?
Yep, to 1,488.288.
Okay. Good.
Cool. Thanks for walking me through that.
Well, that's one of the things that I was like making notes on, thinking we're going to go through and use this kind of form, I think, a lot. And so what do I have to do to make sure I have to remember this little step or that little step? And so writing in on that form, updating, whether it's greater than, equal to, or less than type of thing.
Yeah. There we go.
All right. 1, 4. I should stop talking and just type it in. 2, 8. Okay, that's saved. Question 9. What is the p-value?
My p-value is 0.
Does it tell us that on the form?
Yeah, in variable 1, the second thing. It's right next to df.
I see that. Why is the p-value 0?
I'm not sure. Huh.
Because isn't that the probability value? I guess.
Yeah.
So
that does.
not very probable that it's going to happen?
Yeah. I have a bad feeling that we're gonna have to like enter in all that stuff manually to get the right answers.
So we opened up that probability test, but it doesn't say anything about degrees of freedom. How did we figure out the degrees? Oh, that's the DF, right? So the DF for our test is what?
Oh, one sec.
147.
Yep, 147 exactly.
Okay, and then our t-score is humongous. How do you put that kind of number in? 1488.288, enter. And the probability is some huge exponential whatever number.
Oh, yikes.
And so I guess we just go with 0.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
I think we might have to do some. Yeah, I have a feeling these aren't going to turn out to be right because of the specific numbers they used. Yeah. Set of data they pulled.
So the p-value is less than alpha. Did it tell us alpha? Yes, alpha is 0.5. The level of significance is 0.05. No more. You had ice cream. So the p-value is going to be less than that?
Looks like it, yep.
So then we can reject the null hypothesis?
Yeah, because if it was larger, that means that it complements it, right?
Yeah. So we're going to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
Boom, save.
All right, and then the next one, information. Use the following values, which are pulled from the data file babyboom.jse. For the next 6 questions, these values are the wait time in minutes between births at a hospital. Copy and paste them in SPSS. The hospital claims that the average time between births. Oh boy! Oh, it's one of these again.
Well, we don't use the SPSS, so they didn't update this quiz. This is going to.
They really didn't. Oh dear. But yeah, so claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and plans its resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test their claim, and you select H0 mu equals 40, HA U is not 40, and with a significance level of alpha equals 0.01, and there's all that stuff. And question 11 is, what is the p-value? So let's see here.
So we're going to go through, and I'm copying everything from the baby boom thing and replacing the values in our one sample t-test for means form, right? And we're going to generate numbers, and they'll probably be wrong, but at least we tried.
Yep, and it was the wait times, correct?
Delete.
Let me see. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Let's see.
Yes, the wait time in minutes.
Okay, cool.
This had a lot of numbers, right?
Yes, it did. Yeah, wait times is the far right.
Oh, wait. What's the first one? Wait,
No,
minutes.
there's nothing in the first box. That's a little troubling.
Yeah. But it did say wait times, right? Do any of those numbers match what they have pulled on their thing? Yeah, the other numbers look like.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
It's fun.
Is that what this is?
No. Torture.
Okay. So now we've got to update the null hypothesis,
Oh, come on.
which is 40, and the level of significance is 0.01.
Oh, what the? Oh, man, come on.
And it's not equal to 40. And alpha is 0.01.
Oh, wait. Oh, it didn't. Oh, why didn't it copy? Oh, come on. Try that again. Take two. Oh, is it? Did you have to enable editing to copy stuff?
I think I did.
Okay, that might be why I'm having issues. Okay, here we go. And there we go. Beautiful. Okay, and what was our null hypothesis?
For mu equals 40,
Okay, there we go.
and the alternative is not equal. And the confidence level is going to be 0.01. So does that mean we make it 0.99 in this?
Yep, that sounds right.
Okay. So now back to the questions, which sometimes I put in all this information and then it asks for something simple. Okay, 11 is, what is the p-value?
Oh, whoops, there we go. Sorry, my brother just called out to. Okay, so yeah, what is the p-value? Round to 3.
0.142. 0.01. So that's greater than 0.1, right? So that's greater than alpha. Is that right?
Wait, what?
Sorry, I was jumping ahead to the next question.
No, my brother called again. My phone got interrupted. So what did you say you have for the p-value?
0.142.
Wait, what's going on with mine then? Oh, okay.
What did you have?
Mine's something with into the exponential value. It's really weird. I'm guessing I forgot to fill in something.
Do you have confidence level of
Yep,
0.99?
0.99, and null hypothesis is 40.
Type of test not equal to?
That's the one.
Did that change it?
To 1.5582, and it's still got an exponential value thing. Is there another thing we had to change?
No.
Huh. That's curious.
Okay. Do we have all the same? How many numbers? So my numbers start on row 6, and they go all the way down to row 48.
Oh, wait. Wait, did you copy the blank one as well?
I did.
Maybe that's why. I'm going to add a 0. See if that helps.
And I don't know if I should have.
I know. Oh, man, it's bad. Okay, scroll down.
So what do you have as N? Oh, you're scrolling down. Never mind. Oh, wait.
All right, there we go. There's a 0 added. I have 149 as N?
I have 43 as N. Wait, we're doing the Baby Boom JSEXL file, right?
Yeah, that's the one I got.
And it has 45 rows?
Yes, 45.
So the column that I copied has a count of 43 spaces. So let me recopy and see what I got.
Oh, what just happened? Well, I'm gonna try and close it and reopen it.
Okay. I don't know that I did it right. I just.
Baby Boom, open that up. No, I think you did. I just don't understand where or how we're differing.
Oh, is it 519?
Okay, let's try that again.
19.
Oh, I think I see the issue.
What's going on?
It kept some of the values from the previous thing we did.
Aha. And that's the thing. I think you should be able to just click on like the A and highlight everything and delete. I tried that once and it totally like, you can't do that. There's merge cells. And it's like, there's got to be an easy way. Because one of the tests that we went through in the reading was like 2,000 samples. And so then to delete it so I could do the next one was a pain in the push. It's got to be a simpler way to clear it out.
I know. Anyways, we'll just go with yours since yours is actually cooperating. Because yeah, it still won't let me delete them en masse. It won't even let me go back properly.
Okay.
Okay.
So for question 11, I have 0.142.
Okay. And okay, and we said we're going to keep the fail to reject the null hypothesis, right?
Because 1.142 is greater than
0.01.
Is that right?
Yep,
yeah,
that's
so we fail to reject.
Cool. All right, and number 13 states, you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use HA mu is less than 40, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? So we're just doing less than 40 this time.
Yep.
Okay.
And I got a p-value of 0.071. So we're still greater than alpha, but our p-value went down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you said it's 0.071?
Yes.
Yep, it went down. So decrease.
Okay, question 14. What decision do you make? We still fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yep.
I hate dealing with numbers after the decimal.
Same.
Is this 0.07 larger than 0.01? Yeah, because that would be like
Yep.
7 is bigger than 1. And
It'd
but
be like
because it's a
7%
decimal, it
versus
just kind of
1%.
throws me off that it should be different.
Oh, I
Okay,
understand.
now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births at a hospital.
Okay, so we're still dealing with wait times, and the confidence interval is the only thing changing.
Okay, and so we're keeping whatever other change we just made. We're keeping it less than, but now we change our confidence level to what?
95%. So 0.95.
So it's, okay.
I wish they were more specific in these instructions as to whether or not, to keep everything the same that we just did.
Yep, and so now the confidence level, the lower one is 24158. I didn't pay attention to what it was before. Did it ask us just the number or? Yeah.
I think so.
24.158.
Oh, wait, did you say 24.158 or 24158?
24.158.
Oh, okay, so we round to one decimal place, so we're going to round it to 0.2?
Oh, did it say round to? Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. That's 0.2. Save.
And 16, what is the upper limit of this confidence interval? Round to one decimal place.
So 4235, so 424. 42.4.
2.4. Nice. All right. Are we feeling pretty confident? Should we see the damage?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
I don't know how to fix it if we didn't. You know what I mean? That.
I know. I really don't feel like entering in every single value if that's what we did wrong. Okay, so far so good.
I don't think they mean for us to, though. I think we're supposed to be able to use the form and then be able to interpret the data. Okay. Right, sweetheart, I love you. So how did we do? We didn't do well. We got a 64.
Yeah, we got every single one that wasn't asking about the stuff with the data that we had to figure out. That's upsetting.
So the data's wrong, but I don't think. Fortunately, we can take the quiz again.
Which I might do tonight after.
Well, I guess I could just type in those numbers and try it, huh? Because we could enter those numbers into the spreadsheet. We just have to manually enter all those numbers. That's a pain in the derriere.
That is a
but
pain.
They should fix it if that's the case.
Yeah, they really should. They should like change the Excel and like, I don't know, make like a page that says like 4 group quiz or something where it has just the ones we need or something. I think they should do that.
I wish they gave us the correct answer. So that we knew, and then I could go back and if I entered in those data, instead of going through all of it and testing it, if I could just, because I don't want to go through and just do that data and then it still not be right because something's messy. So
yeah,
that's frustrating.
It is very frustrating. Do you want to go through it again right now, or what are you thinking?
Well, I think I probably don't want to do it. I think I want to hear back from the TA, except I guess it has to be done tonight, huh?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Tonight. To see what it is.
Yeah. Let me see here.
I guess it can't hurt to. Here, let's do this. How about you enter in one of them, and I enter in the other one.
Oh, phone fell.
Of those numbers. Do you know what I mean? So that
Yeah.
we're not both entering in this.
Splitting it up.
Because it was just 2 studies, right?
Correct, yeah.
So if you want to do pick one, I'll do the other one. And
Yeah. Are you okay if I do the latter one?
yep. So I'll do the body temperatures.
Okay, sounds good.
1, 2.
Hey, Alma, how much do you know about Excel? Lead a whole bunch of numbers at the same time.
Like from different cells?
Yeah.
You just click and drag. Can't click and drag.
Wait. It just deletes the one. It just deletes the top one.
Hit just the delete button.
You have to highlight all the ones you want to delete.
Highlight over all the cells that you want to delete, and then hit delete.
That's what I did, and it took me to the top one. It's weird. Let me see if it likes me this time.
Backspace, you're hitting delete.
Oh, maybe that.
Your backspace just deletes the one.
Oh, let's try. Try that again. No. Oh boy. Okay. And thank you. Sweet. I found out, well, with my roommate's help, I found out how to delete multiple cells worth of data.
And
So you hit delete, not backspace.
oh, okay. That's what
Yep. So now that'll help. Oh. I guess I still missed a few. Okay. Wow. Why are there still that many left?
Pull out. Okay. 98, 99.6, 97.8.
Okay, there we go. Let's split this up. Open.
Hey, sweetheart. Wait.
Okay.
All right, we got 20 in there.
Okay. All mine are entered in.
Plus 5. Okay, make sure you change the
Oh yeah, the
level of confidence things and stuff. So I'm at 95. My null.
I guess I have to go back into the quiz. No. I think everything's still the same from before, so I think I'm still good with the confidence
Yours is
level.
good.
Yeah, still got 40 as
And
the
then the
null
null
and
hypothesis.
0.99 is the confidence. Yeah.
Okay. And mine is less than. What's going on?
Okay, let's see. All right, so I'm going to go back into the quiz.
Okay. You gonna start entering?
Yeah. Does it save our answers from before? Like, can we just change them around, or do we have to re-enter everything?
We have to re-enter everything. So
Blech.
I opened up the quiz in another. So I keep the old quiz open, and then I open up another one in another window, the new one.
Oh, I should have did that.
So, question 6. X bar. Into 3 decimal. Question 7.
Let's try this again.
No. All right. Do you want me to give you answers for the first ones as we go?
Yes, please. Yep.
Okay.
So I'm up to question 5.
So 3, we got assume sigma is unknown.
Yep. And 4,
Okay.
4 is no, because it literally says it's not known.
And then 5 is 1.5. Okay, and then I'm getting ready to, so then 6 is 98.220.
And x bar is equal to the standard deviation, right? Or is it the mean?
No, it's the mean of our sample. So that's going to be like down in the box below.
Oh, so it's like the first variable 1 box, right?
Yeah, so you have n, and then the mean, and then the standard deviation on that
Right.
one. Yep,
Right.
that mean there is our x bar.
Right. Okay.
And then
Cool.
S is that standard deviation. So for question 7, it's 0.922.
Okay.
And then for the t-score, it's negative 1.843.
Negative what?
1.843.
Okay.
And then the p-value is 0.040.
0.040?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
And then 10 is reject the null hypothesis.
Great. Okay, my turn.
Yeehaw.
All right, so the p-value for mine is 0.995.
Good.
All right, let me scroll. What's going on? Okay, here we go. Okay, and what decision do we make for this one? What was it?
Fail to reject. We got that correct.
Sweet.
And now it wants you to change it to less than.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, so scroll up. And
you had it.
And before it was not equal to, right? That was the right thing?
Yes, not equal to was before.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, so let's see here.
13, we actually got that one correct.
And it was decrease, right?
Yep. And 14. I guess these ones kind of are about what happens if you change it, which our numbers didn't matter because it was still doing the right, having the right effect. We were just
Yeah.
dealing with more numbers last time. So 14 is failed to reject.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, and this is where I changed mine to 0.95. So
Question 15.
Yep.
What's the
Oh.
answer?
Let's take a gander. So what is
The
the lower limit of this confidence interval? Oh, okay. So that'll be the one on the left, right?
Yeah, and you did change it to 95, right?
Yep, just did.
Okay.
Yep. So it'll be 23.5.
Okay.
There we go. Save that. Man, I will be so happy if we did this perfectly.
Yes.
And the upper limit should be 56.6.
Okay, I'm going to let you hit a I didn't open a new quiz. I just started writing answers down. Sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine. You're fine. All right, here goes nothing.
Here goes nothing.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. And wait. Okay. Well, it looks like we might have missed number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah. Just let me know what you had for number 6, and I'll let you know.
Sorry. I have 98.220. Is that what you did?
Oh. Nope, I know what happened.
What?
My finger was on the wrong button, so I have 330. So was it just a simple mistake?
I'm so sorry.
No, it's all good. It's a simple mistake. But other than that, we got it all right. So
We did. So we have to use the numbers from the test. I'm going to call the TA and just let her know what we experienced so that they can.
Yeah, I would, if you can, I would throw out that suggestion of maybe having them put another page in the Excel that like says like for the homework quiz or the group quiz or whatever.
Yep. Yep.
Because that would help out a lot. Then we can just have the information and copy it from the
We
Excel.
didn't have to type it in on ourselves.
Yep, exactly. But yeah, sounds good.
Okay. Thank you. Wait, I need to stop recording this video, right? And then hopefully it recorded.
Yeah, it says live, so I think we're doing good.
So I believe his link told me that once I'm done copying, or when I hit end recording, that's something it should pop up, right? Is that what I read? Sorry, you don't have to listen to this, I guess.
No, it's okay.
I'm
You're talking about his email, right?
Yep. Make sure I get the URL. So at the end, just leave the call. It'll give you a confirmation to end the broadcast. Now, in your last YouTube window, it should have your event still up. Click on the title of the video you just made in order to copy and paste the URL into the group. Okay. Hopefully I do this right. Right?
Fingers crossed. Okay. If not, I'm sure the TA will
broadcast.
be really understanding.
Thank you.
All right. See you later, Christine. Thanks for your help.
All right. Bye-bye.